I'm on Phi Phi Island.
Wondering what it's like on Phi Phi Don Island? Let's take a walk around Ton Sai village and the two main beaches, Ton Sai and Loh Dalum. Hi, I'm Linda and I'm here as a guide so you know what to expect and can plan for a better travel experience. I arrived by ferry on Phi Phi Don Island from Phuket. It's the larger of the Phi Phi Islands in the Andaman Sea. The island can be reached from Phuket or Krabi in 1 to 2 hours depending on the type of boat you take. Ton Sai village is the main town on Phi Phi Don Island. There are two main beaches at the village, Ton Sai Beach and Loh Dalum. Let's take a walk. The Ton Sai pier area is where the ferries arrive. I was surprised to find the Phi Phi Islands have as big franchises like the Coffee Club, Burger King, McDonald's and 7-Elevens. They're opposite the pier. It is a hub of activity here. Love the matching shirts, guys. East of the pier, we have a lot of longboats ready for tourists. A bit further east, the speedboats bring the day trippers to the island and short visit on day tours. Back at the pier, let's walk west. Hope this helps you. Hit like and hit subscribe. All those speedboats out there are on day tours bringing tourists to the island. The island is absolutely covered in restaurants. Plenty of places to relax, eat and drink. And lots of shopping. This is the hospital on the island. There are no cars here, however there are golf buggies for medical emergencies. Good to know you don't have to walk. I saw a lot of medical centres right across the island. Boats, boats and more boats and more boats. And tour guides yelling, "Let's go, let's go, let's go," constantly. Hire of a deck chair is 100 baht. There are huge restaurants in this area for seating tour groups for lunch. There are very small areas that are marked for swimming in between the boats. The swimming areas marked with floating markers separate you from the boats. It is very noisy and very busy. It is not at all peaceful nor relaxing. On the other side, Loh Dalum Beach has less boats. I'm right up the west end and there's a large swimming area marked here. A bit further along, a smaller swimming area between the boats. This spot is opposite the Phi Phi Harbour View Hotel where I stay.
Swimming area then.
This is early morning, nice and quiet. However, when the day tours come in, it is much busier. There are more speedboats on this side with day tours.
Are your hands full? Yeah, over there.
The beach is quieter on this side of the island compared to Ton Sai Beach, and the swimming areas are larger. There are restaurants and bars right alongside the beach. The Slinky Bar and Freedom Bar are neon lit up nightclubs at night, and here you can watch the fire shows on the beach in the evenings. The Ibiza pool party, it's quiet now, but pumping on party days. Check the calendar. East along Loh Dalum Beach, it gets much quieter. There's less boats. There are a lot of backpacker hostels in this area, and lots of restaurants and lots of bars. Hope this helps you. Hit like and hit subscribe. Okay, leaving the beach, let's take a walk through the streets and see what it is like. It is a concrete jungle of shopping, restaurants, bars, more food, more drinks, and a few medical centres. It is a concrete jungle.
जर्मनी में टैक्स पता है कितना है?
famous reggae bar where you can see tourists box each other. It costs a drink to get in and the boxing starts about 9 p.m. It is a very popular place. Back at the pier, and McDonald's is a busy area to be in. If you are going on a tour from the island, you will meet your tour guide and group here at McDonald's.
Like fine, I get it. Again.
Happy travelling out there.